Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's project because it's like my first renovation, even though it's really not because I just used masking tape. But anyway, if you're into renovations, DIY, crafts, shopping hauls, then like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. This project is so exciting because it's perfect for anyone who is renting or just bought a house and like isn't ready to redo the bathroom or the kitchen but wants to put something up in the meantime. This backsplash is super easy to make, so let's get started. So this is what it looked like before. As you can see, it's pretty dated. So the first thing I did was take off the outlet cover since there was an outlet in the area I was going to put the backsplash. I unscrewed it and it came off easily, and then I just took measurements of the whole area, including measurements around the outlet. And then I'm using a poster board as the base of my backsplash, so I'm just cutting out the same area using the measurements I just took. When I was measuring the poster board, I noticed that it's not going to fill up the whole area, so I'm going to need a second little piece. So I just checked to make sure my first piece worked and then cut out a second piece, lining it up with the first. And then the smaller piece included the outlet, so I had to measure that out. And then I cut it out by folding it over and then cutting a crease and then cutting around. Once I had both pieces cut out, I just placed them in the bathroom to make sure they fit, and when they did, I used masking tape to attach them together. And then since this is the support of the backsplash, you're going to want to make sure there is masking tape on both sides so that it's a lot more sturdy. And now the exciting part, this is how I got the look. I used these self-adhesive wall tiles from Dollar Tree. They were only $1 each and I used 2 of them. So in all, this project only cost $3 because the poster board was only $1 also. And they do sell these self-adhesive tiles other places, like I've seen them at Target, and I'm pretty sure I've seen them at like hardware stores also. They usually just cost a little bit more money but do look a little nicer. So if you just wanted to make it like a $10 project or a $20 project, which is really not that much more, and have a nicer look, that's also a way you can do it too. So to apply these, I just peeled off the plastic in the back and then I cut off the bottom line of tiles just because my space wouldn't fit it. So these tiles are really sticky, so you want to make sure that you put it down the way you like it the first time because it's kind of hard to get off. Although it is sticky, it is only attached around the edges of the tile. The first square I put down, I laid this square down and then I put the poster board on top of it. But then the second time I did it, I laid the poster board down and I put the tiles on top of that. And both ways worked. For the area around the outlet, I just used the tiles that I had originally cut off, like that bottom strip of tiles, and then I just cut them to arrange them around the outlet. I did have to use masking tape with those tiles though because I've noticed that the adhesive stuff only attaches to like the rim of the square. So if you cut it up, then they are able to like flap open. So you'll just need to like tape that down. But once you do, it attaches fine. And then I just cut the excess off. After I was done cutting off all the excess tile, I was able to put it back into the bathroom. It fit perfectly. I was so excited and I just used more masking tape at the top to attach it. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after. I'm so excited. It looks so much more light and bright. Also, I do want to mention that I got this plant at Walmart for about $6, and the soap dispenser and toothbrush holder from Dollar Tree, each for $1. So altogether, this entire look only cost about $10. Thank you all for watching. Doesn't the bathroom just look so much better? I can't believe the difference between the before and after. When I first thought of this, I really didn't think it would make that big of a difference because, as you can see, the cabinets are dated, the mirror's dated, everything's basically dated. But it really has made a difference, and it has even made it brighter in there. I think because the tiles are white, the light just hits off them. There's so many ways you could change this. Like I said, they sell these kind of tiles at Target, I'm pretty sure hardware stores. So you could put up different patterns or different styles, different quality. Like I said, it's just from the Dollar Tree. But if you did find something from Target, theirs are really cute, by the way. I think it could look really, really nice. Also, another thing I was thinking about is if I use like a black poster board instead of a white, then I'm wondering if it would shine through in the little spaces and make it look more like grout. But I'm not sure. I was a little scared that like it would shine through where the actual tiles are too and not give that like bright white look. The only thing I didn't love about this project is that I did attach it with masking tape. I mean, it doesn't look the best, but I just wanted to make sure I used something that wasn't going to rip the paint at all. I don't think command strips would, but sometimes I really have trouble removing them, honestly. I know you're supposed to like pull down on them, but it like never works for me. So if it is your own place, you can always try that or just attach it some other way. But overall, I really don't think the masking tape is really a big deal because it's like underneath the mirror. And I mean, if someone is like looking under there, I mean, that's on them, honestly. So anyway, I really am excited about this project, and if you are too, then like and subscribe. I want to hear about if you do a similar project. Also, if you want to see more renovations for renters, then comment below to let me know. Thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all next time.